going to talk about increasingly popular ingredient in skincare called peptides. So peptides are short chains of amino acids. Often they're called building blocks of protein. And when we think about protein in our body, we immediately would think about the skin, about the collagen, keratin, elastin. So those are all proteins. Because they're such a small molecules, they penetrate very deep and they affect the skin on a cellular level. They target cell receptors to trigger or trick our cells to, for example, produce more collagen, release growth factors. There are different kinds of peptides. For example, peptides that stimulate and help us with the firmness of the skin. Those will be carrier peptides or signal peptides. The first one carries trace minerals to the skin like copper or magnesium, helping produce collagen and elastin. They also are known to help with the brightness of the skin. The second one, the signal peptides, it basically tricks our cells to feel like there's a damage. So it helps release growth factors and trigger that natural healing of the skin. Other peptides, and that's probably the one most people heard of, are peptides that help block release of neurotransmitters. And neurotransmitters are released from our nervous system into our muscles, stopping the contraction of the muscles. So you can think of it as a form of peptide that works a little bit like Botox. There are also peptides that will work as antioxidants, helping preserve our cells. Peptides that block release of enzymes that naturally break down our collagen and elastin, so those would help us slow down the aging process.